What makes a phone stand out so much that one specific group of people just can't seem to get enough of it? That's exactly what's happening with Samsung's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which has unexpectedly caught fire, especially among young men in South Korea, Samsung's home turf. The Fold 7 isn't just doing well, it's dominating the conversation and the market. Typically, the Galaxy Z Flip lineup steals the spotlight with its stylish compact design, but this time, the larger, more tablet-like Fold 7 has taken the lead in pre-orders. Samsung sold over 1.04 million units of its new foldables during the week of July 15th to July 21st, which broke previous records set by the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. What's surprising is that about 63% of these pre-orders were for the Fold model, not the Flip, and when you look closer at the numbers, it gets even more interesting. 83% of the people who pre-ordered the Fold 7 were young males. That's a strong shift in preference that's hard to ignore. It tells us something about how this generation views tech. The Fold 7's appeal lies in its all-around design upgrade. It's thinner, more powerful, and it looks a lot more polished than previous versions. The new design makes it easier to carry without losing its big screen advantage, which is perfect for multitasking, gaming, watching content, or even getting work done. Young guys are probably seeing it as more than a phone. It's like a mini workstation in your pocket. On the flip side, pun intended, women still seem to prefer the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and that makes sense too. It's compact, stylish, fits easily into smaller bags or pockets, and still offers powerful specs. In South Korea, women made up about 59% of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 pre-orders. That gender-based buying trend isn't new, but this year the difference feels even sharper. So, what does all this mean? For starters, Samsung's strategy to improve both foldable models in different ways seems to be working. Instead of just pushing one as the star, they've made both the Fold and the Flip better in ways that speak directly to their key users. The Fold 7, with its more refined body and internal upgrades, has made a stronger case than ever for users who want a serious, long-term phone that doesn't look like everything else out there. And young guys are all in on that idea. This shift might also start showing up in other markets outside South Korea as those phones begin shipping globally. If the Fold 7 keeps gaining momentum like this, we might start seeing more apps, accessories, and even work tools that treat foldables as the next big thing, not just a trend. The Z Fold 7 could be helping turn the concept of foldables into a more mainstream category. And if that happens, Samsung's already a few steps ahead of the curve. Whether you're into compact phones like the Flip or need a device that handles your whole life like the Fold, it's clear Samsung's latest lineup has found a way to speak to different lifestyles without trying to please everyone with just one device. That's smart. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of what's going on with the new Galaxy foldables, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next.